Welcome to the news on 1999. This news.
Hello? Hello, I just need it.
Hi, it's me, Hannah. I got an emergency.
What is the thing what you asked? Is it a problem?
Yes, there is. It's a different thing I asked you to.
Okay, Pat, loser. You just got nothing to do about it.
I got my cold.
Yeah? And actually, I got nothing to do with it. Yeah, that's right. I just got dangerous. Well, in case, I will just keep still, huh? Yeah. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, see ya. Bye. I wish I could do a little thing as in that. Faster and cleaner, which is the high-speed train. He saw something really strange, yeah. Uh-oh. I better phone Michael. Whoa, I never saw that before. That's the faster and cleaner high-speed train.
My teacher!
Big cheers for us. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!